They say the ground here doesn't just hold you up. It teaches you how to move. Every morning in this town, the rhythm starts before I even open my eyes. It's in the distant sound of the neighborhood, waking up the familiar stillness of my hometown. To some, these streets are just quiet corners, but to me, they are the first stage I ever knew. When I dance, I'm not trying to escape where I came from. I'm just trying to bring it with me, translating the grip of the soil and the plus of my hometown into a very stretch and every stride. Being part of the BCC means finding a way to make our story loud enough for the world to hear. I don't need a spotlight to be seen, I just need the air I've breathed since birth and the movement that proves I was here. Actually, that proves we were here. Turning the ordinary beat of my hometown into a masterpiece.